In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on automatic backup on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to allow or to enable automatic chats backup, it's pretty simple. Just go to your WhatsApp and from here, head over to these ellipses for more options. Under this, click on settings and move up to chats. And then under chats, go ahead and look for chat backup. If you tap on this, you can see we have automatic backups here. So if you tap on this, you can change either this to daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup, or you can as well turn this off. So for mine, I've just set it on daily. I'm good to go. So that's how you can enable automatic backup on WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.